we have this rock cycle. Suppose there is a magma, if it will cool, igneous rock will be. If this igneous rock will melt, again we could have a formation. Okay, so sequence could be. If this igneous rock is subjected to weathering and lithification, we could have a sedimentary. I mean, sediment and sediment, if they are subjected to further compaction, we could have a sedimentary rock. If this sedimentary rock, suppose if this sedimentary rock is subjected to some sort of, you can say, intense heat and pressure, there will be a metamorphic. And these metamorphic rocks, if they are subjected to melting due to the intense heat and temperature, suppose the temperature and heat is so much greater that the metamorphic rocks are actually having some sort of melting, and as a result of melting, their conversion will be taken place of magma. Then again this cycle will go on, and if this metamorphic rock will going to weathered or erosion, then it would going to be transformed in terms of sediment, or let's say sedimentary rock. So here we have what? A complete rock cycle in which the state of rocks could be changed at any point of conversion would take place with respect to the two different categories: igneous, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic. So conversion could take place irrespective of sequence. Here in this image, even you can see that when we have a, suppose we have a magma, which is the example of rock, if it will cool on the surface, there will be a transportation, deposition. So we have a sedimentation, have a further sedimentary rock. Now this sedimentary rock can directly resulted into the upliftment. This sedimentary rock could be subjected to, so that would be a metamorphic one. This metamorphic can directly melt. Okay, so the conversion could take place irrespective of that sequence. So this is what about the rocks, types of rocks and rock. And last, here you can see this question which asked in hints. Describe the characteristics and types of primary rock. 150 words, 10 marks, asked by UPSC in 2020. Very basic question, and in our previous videos, past videos especially, they have already covered the content of this. Now I am suggesting you to please go and write the answer. Now keep your answer limited in 150. In next session, we would be dealing with the dynamic thrust, be dealing with the continental drift theories, and on the basis of these theories, we can say that land mass, which or the continent nowadays used to appear differently over the different time period, or let's say with respect to the geography of our. We will be meeting in the next session video, and we would be dealing about the drift and post continental drift. Till then, right answer. Take care.